माला फेरत जुग भया, फिराना मन का फेर, कर का मन का डार दे, मन का फेर। कोई व्यक्ति लंबे समय तक हाथ में लेकर मोती की माला तो घुमाता है, पर उसके मन का भाव नहीं बदलता, उसके मन की हलचल शांत नहीं होती। कबीर के ऐसे व्यक्ति को सलाह है कि हाथ की इस माला को फेरना छोड़कर मन के मोतियों को बदलो या फेरो। जी हाँ, मन को बदलो, और मन को बदलने के लिए किसी कामिल पीर और मुर्शिद की ज़रूरत ज़रूर होती है, क्योंकि वो नफ्स को मारते हैं और क़ल्ब को यानी दिल को ज़िंदा करते हैं। तो मन को बदलो, मन को फेरो। अव्वल अल्लाह नूर उपाया, कुदरत के सब बंदे, एक नूर ते सब जग उपजाया, कौन भले कौन मंदे। So first Allah created light, and then He made all beings from that one light. The whole world was created. So who is good and who is bad? So let's see good in everybody and ignore the bad. So let's stop finding faults in others. Let's stop blaming others. Let's stop being judgmental. And just let's do one thing, that is, let's have an unconditional love for them the way the mother loves her child. कबीर दास कहते हैं, भला हुआ मोरी गगरी फूटी, मैं पानियाँ भरन से छूटी, मोरे सिर से तली बला। भला हुआ मोरी गगरी फूटी। It was good that my earthen pot broke, and I left my homeland. Now I long for my motherland and dream of a beautiful land. So here the ego dies, the physical body and the physical world or the worldly desires vanish, and there's only love for the Creator. And loving the Creator, how do we do that? By loving His creation. Serving the Creator, how do we do that? By serving His creation with unconditional love and kindness, so that one can become eternal, making our life successful. मोको कहाँ ढूंढे रे बंदे, मैं तो तेरे पास में, ना तीरथ में ना मूरत में ना एकांत निवास में. Oh mind, where are you searching for me? I am with you, not in pilgrimage, not in idol, nor in the secluded retreat. This the Creator is saying to His creation. कस्तूरी कुंडली बसे मृग ढूंढे बन माही, ऐसे घट घट राम है दुनिया देखे नाही. So the God lies within us, and we search Him in all the holy places we can name it. So find the divine in yourself. डॉक्टर अल्लामा इकबाल रहमतुल्लाह अलैह से ब्यूटीफुली, हज़ारों साल नरगिस अपनी बेनूरी पे रोती है, बड़ी मुश्किल से होता है चमन ने दीदावार पैदा. सो हियर इकबाल साहब सेज दैट वी look for the God, we look for the divine outside in this physical world, wherein He is present within us, and we have to light that lamp to see Him. And how do we do? Find a spiritual master to do so. If you want the truth, I'll tell you the truth. Listen to the secret sound, the real sound which is inside you. Yes, you can hear it, my dear friends, only through a spiritual guru. He will tell you how to do it. So for that, first find a spiritual master, a Kamil Piru Murshid. You know something? I went looking for him and lost myself. The drop merged with the sea. Who can find it now? Yes. When a drops of water can make a mighty ocean, why not the whole mighty ocean be in this small single drop of water, which we are all, as it is said many a times, that सब कुछ हमारे अंदर है, सब अंदर है, समंदर, सब कुछ अंदर है. So the whole ocean, the whole divinity lies within us in this single drop. Emphasize this even more clearly. जैसे तिल में तेल है, ज्यों चकमक में आग, तेरा साईं तुझ में है, तू जाग सके तो जाग, Like seed contains the oil, that is sesame seed here, it talks about. Fire in flint stone. Your temple seeds the divine. Realize if you can. Do it so. And that is the purpose of our life. Make it successful by finding a true spiritual master for yourself. See how well Kabir Das Ji has said, both Guru and Govind were present before me, and I was confused to whom shall I prostrate before first, whom should I greet first. And then finally he decides, glory to the Guru, since he showed me the Govind, since he showed me the God. So let me greet my Guru first. पोती पढ़ पढ़ कर जग मुआ, पंडित भाइयों ना कोई, ढाई अक्षर प्रेम के जो पढ़े सो पंडित होए. So you may learn many things from the books, from your experiences, but then above all, it's just the love. When there is love in your heart, you don't have to read anything, you don't have to gain any knowledge, you just have to love unconditionally. Love all with kindness, love all without being judgmental. So he says, you have to be helpful, you can't be selfish here, you have to love each other, and that is why the world was created. Yeah? So big as it may be, the date tree is useless. It doesn't shade a passerby from the sun, and its fruit hangs far from reach. So don't be this. Be a useful and a helpful person. Help each other. Next, चलती चक्की देख कर दिया कबीरा रोए, दुई पाथन के बीच में साबित बचा ना कोई. Well, who is closer to the God, who is in love with God, they are the only one who is eternal, who is going to be eternal. पहले अगन बिरहा की पच्छी प्रेम की प्यास, कहें कबीर तुब जनिए नाम मिलन की आस. First the pain of separation, then the thirst for love, says Kabir. Only then will you know joy of the union. Yeah, when you lose it, you will know the value of it. अखत कहानी प्रेम की कुछ कही न जाए, गूंगे केरी सरकारा बैठे मुस्काए. The inexpressible joy of love can never be put into words, just as a mute that tastes sugar can only smile to show his joy. So, only you can experience that. It cannot be described in words. चाम मीठी चिंता मीठी मनवा बेपरवाह, जिसको कुछ नहीं चाहिए वो शहंशाह. When desires disappear, so do worries. The mind left free from trouble. He who doesn't want anything is the true king. Yeah. इसीलिए तो वलियों का दरबार को दरबार कहा जाता है. दरबार. चिंता ऐसे दकीनी काट कलीजा खाए, वैद बेचारा क्या करे, कहाँ तक दवा लगाए. Such a thief is worry. It eats away your heart. A doctor is helpless against it. How far could his medicine help? जब तू आए जगत में लोग हंसे तू रोए, ऐसी करनी ना करी पीछे हंसे सब कोए. So when you came into this world, the world was in joy and you were in tears, you were crying. But now when you leave this world, it should be the other way around. Yeah? So make the life a successful journey, or make this journey a successful one. And that's the reason we are here in this world, to make our life successful, to become eternal. And how is that? By following the footsteps of Wali Allahs. Thank you for watching. Do comment, reflect, and let's discuss.